So the prokaryotes. Prokaryotes. So these are before nuclei. So which they are before the nucleus had developed is basically what it's saying. So they don't have a nucleus. They just have a single circular DNA strand in the cytoplasm, and that's their sort of genetic material, which we'll learn about when you do Unit 3. They also have these little extra bits of DNA, which we'll learn about in Unit 4, called plasmids. They have flagellum, which is another word for tail, and they're what sort of allow bacteria to move. These sort of spin, and almost like a motor on the back of a boat. They equally have a cell membrane. So they have a cell membrane, and they have a cell wall for similar reasons, to stop the cell bursting, to create this sort of turgor pressure. It's not called turgor pressure, but they prevent bursting or lysis. And they also have this slime capsule, which its role is sort of a little bit vague, but actually helps it sort of avoid the immune system. And equally, they make proteins as well, so they have ribosomes. So prokaryote is basically just another word for bacteria. So you need to know both of these words, but for all intents and purposes at GCSE, these are bacteria. That's all that a prokaryote really is, and they look very different to a plant or an animal cell because they don't have a nucleus, and they don't have any of those sort of membrane-bound organelles, those little bits within their cell. So, for example, they haven't got a mitochondria. There's no mitochondria here, are there? And they don't have chloroplasts. So, something to bear in mind.